It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.